In the silence of the woods, a secret unfolds. Nature's beauty, a story yet untold. Mountains rise, reaching for the sky. Whispering winds as time passes by. Oh, the symphony of nature's embrace. Soft rock melodies in the sacred space. Rivers flowing with a gentle flow. Nature's rhythm, in our hearts it will glow. Beneath the golden sun, the world comes alive. Colors of the earth, so vivid, so thrive. Birds soaring high, with melodies they sing. A harmony of nature, a precious offering. Guitar chords strummed like leaves in the breeze. Drums beat like raindrops, falling with ease. Let the soft rock embrace the natural scene. A tribute to the beauty that lies in between.